I'm just gonna do one more video because I have some cooking to do. And yes, sorry, it's just one of those days. But anyways, we have Follow That Bird from Sesame Street 25th Anniversary Edition. Yo Gabba Gabba Birthday Boogie from Nickelodeon. And The Wiggles. Yummy Yummy. It's 2002, I think. Right there, yes. This is 2000, is it? No, 2010. And this is, let's see, 2000, I think. Anyways, someone's childhood left beside the road. A little beat up, but what the heck, right? Right. Me. Birthday Boogie. And Follow That Bird. Like, share.